Why, hello everyone! I am your lovely host, Innocent, and welcome back to Innocent's Voice Acting Advice, or as I like to call it, Eva. Today's topic is, to put it simply, acting. Like any other type of acting, voice acting does, require acting. Well, theater acting might involve your whole body with body language as well as movement that you do. With voice acting, you have to know how to produce every emotion with your voice alone. For example, let's read a short monologue with using body language versus voice acting. The monologue I'll be reading is titled One Shot, and it's written by Joseph Arnun. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Look, I'm gonna do everything in my power to just help you. You know how it is. These things can just go either way. Go about your business, pretend like nothing ever happened, and I'll find out more details in the next upcoming weeks. Don't give me that face, Maggie. If you want this done right, it takes time. Okay? I want this faster too. But we need to do this the right way. We only have one shot at this. Look, I'm gonna do everything in my power to help you. But you know how it is, these things. When they happen, it can go either way. Just go about your business, pretend nothing happened, and I'll find out more details in the upcoming weeks. Don't make that face, Maggie. It takes time. If you want this done right, it takes time, okay? I want this faster too. But we need to do this the right way. We only have one shot at this. What did you think? Both are forms of acting, but a good actor would try to combine both of them. If you are to close your eyes while watching a play, you should be able to know what's happening without your visuals. Voice actors just take this to the next level and do all of that with their acting. To get better at anything, you're going to need to practice. I would recommend recording yourself throughout a day and study it. When you're angry, how does your voice sound? For most people, their voice drops an octave. How about when you're happy? Most people's voices raise an octave and they talk a little bit faster. What about sad? Personally, I go quiet and try my best to dodge talking at all costs, but my voice usually is a bit more gravelly, like I'm about to cry. Noticing these little habits in you will benefit your acting and make things much more natural. Unfortunately, that may backfire in some cases. For example, when I get really frustrated, my voice raises an octave and I put emphases on the end of sentences by going a little bit higher, like in a questioning manner. That's not really a common thing to do, and it's gotten me in trouble a few times, so beware. But hey, this is still a learning experience, even for me. Remember, if you stop learning, something has gone wrong. You can and should continue to learn in anything that you do, be it acting, art, science, or what have you. You can always improve. The limit does not exist. Now go out there and act to your heart's content. We never speak of that. Anyway, if you liked what you just watched, feel free to click or tap here and it will take you to the latest video on my channel. Or you can let the YouTube algorithms choose a video it thinks you'll like. Magic! And of course, you can click or tap over here to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Come join the cult! We're always open to new members. Anywho, I hope to see you all soon. Peace out. Bye-bye!